Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I got here the Can-Am Maverick X3 and I'm going to be installing the hard roof. Let's get to it. In the kit you'll get the roof, of course, these two packs here with the quick release push screws, two straps, and if you need your paper instructions, go to the website here and type in the part number. To get the paper instructions, I'm going to go to BRP, instructions, type in the part number for the kit here, click the link, and you can print the instructions if you'd like. This is going to be a quick install, so let's get to it. First I'm going to set the roof on top of the machine. Now I'm going to go around to each corner and install one of these quarter turn push bolts. I'm going to put a large metal washer on the outside, and then from the inside I'm going to put the large plastic washer, then the small plastic washer, and then a neoprene seal. And I'll do this to all four corners. Now from the inside, I just need to install these two straps here on the front. Here's how I have the straps installed on both sides. And just like that, the roof is installed. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my roof install on the Can-Am Maverick X3. Ride safe.